endlini,
Yes.
yes.
That's very powerful, Gajeni. Sisalapho nje sikhuluma ngokubaluleka kababa in relation to intombazane. I've seen this a lot. Even when you do research, it surfaces ukuthi there's something about umuntu wesifazane okhule enobaba present. One of the things abayishoyo bathi umuntu okwanjalo uba nalento yama-boundaries. Okuzama ukudate umuntu okhuliswe ubaba obe-present, fully present in their lives. Uzobona ukuthi ama-boundaries bawaqhakambisa kanjani.
Yes.
Uyakwazi ukubona they can't tolerate something that is below par.
Sure.
Uzoba frustrated at times. Uthi lona uhlezi ufuna nge-operate lapha. No, it's because they've seen ubaba wakho,
Sure.
When a father has played his role, even the daughter knows ukuthi I'm not gonna fall for any guy,
Sure.
So when you do research yakuveza ukuthi abakhule bengekho baba, they find themselves out there. Because there's this thing mfethu esiyikherishayo thina zabantu besilisa le voice, that male figure voice mfethu, I've seen it, it plays a major role. Khona nje umuntu mfethu abanye azafuna umuntu ukuthi mhlawumbe umkhanselishe noma ube yimentor yakhe, when you scrutinize this you realize ukuthi there's a lag here,
Sure.
Umuntu uyalalelisisa, there was no male figure elifini yakhe lo muntu lo, And on the other side of the coin, you see laba bakhule benobaba. Ngisho ehamba emgwaqeni uyambona ukuthi hayi, ngeke nje azadidwe ikhwela ngaliqondi. There's this thing affirmation. I know who I am.
Sure.
My dad has told me ukuthi mina I met, and I'm not gonna settle for less. Uyakutshena nje ubona ukuthi yazi ukuthini. No, I'm not gonna settle for less.
Sure.
What you are doing right now, it's not a question of respect or obedience. Lento yenza njengamanje ayisile, and I'm not gonna tolerate it. So uma umuntu wesilisa, you are setting that thing for ingane zakho, zazi ukuthi yazi ukuthini, we're not going to settle for less, gender based violence usho ukuthi bayancipha nabo because sikhulisa amadodakazi azaziyo la ukuthi I'm not going to settle for less, kanti nabafana